inspired by how excited I am for Doctor Strange in the Multiverse of Madness, I am drawing Benedict Cumberbatch in this role. Here we go, you see it's coming together already. Again, I am doing a rough digital drawing in pink rather than the pencils that I normally do on this one, hence why it's a little bit quicker. In fact, it's extremely quick compared to how slowly I normally draw. But this sort of pinkish layer will be just very, very rough guidelines, so I can go over with proper inking right now. I have to say, Benedict Cumberbatch is an absolute gift for an artist like me, because he's so distinctive, so he's much easier to draw than many others. So hopefully this will come out very nicely. Now, I've been very excited about this film for a little while now, but obviously it was advertised during the Super Bowl, which brought it to international attention here and across the world. In case you don't know, it's Dr. Stephen Strange casts a forbidden spell that opens up a portal to the multiverse. However, a threat emerges that may be too big for his team to handle. Was that good? Will I get a job doing film trailer? Probably not. I'll stick to drawing. All right. I think there may have been a touch of evil magic when I was drawing this. Look at that. Just those random lines came from nowhere. I didn't like that much. I'm quite pleased with the likeness I've got in the face there. He's slightly on the wonk. He's standing at a sort of slightly jaunty angle here, but I think I'll be able to remedy that in a little while. So I'm not going to worry about that too much at the moment. We're going to have to wait all the way till May 2022, depending on when you're watching this video. That may or may not be a very long time away. It's currently February of 2022, and I think that's too long to wait, to be honest. Should we start a petition or something? I wasn't totally happy with that mouth, so just redo that. That's much better. I'm happy with that now. There's also a couple of things I'm not happy about here, so I'm gonna have to. Yeah, the eyes just needed a bit of attention there. That's a mistake. Get rid of that. On to the colours, yes. I am relatively happy with this at the moment, but I think the colour is going to really bring it to life. So quick whitewash on it at the moment so I can see where I'm working. Still a few elements that I can see that do need changing, but let's get some colour down and see where we are. The colour scheme for Doctor Strange is a really nice one. It's sort of muted red, and then you get the muted blue of his outfit as well. And there's just lots of little details in it as well, so I'm really, really excited to be putting this one together. Just figuring out his boots now. I did him with shoes on originally in the line work, but I've had to change that. But that's a very easy change. It's one of those mistakes that I didn't rectify at the start, which I should have done. But there we go. These things happen. Multiverse of Madness also sees the return of Elizabeth Olsen as Wanda Maximoff, or the Scarlet Witch. And I think after WandaVision, that amazing series, which was on TV last year, I think we're all ready for a bit more of that character. I think there's definitely an appetite for that. Certainly from me there is. So yeah, I just can't wait to see how this develops. The film's also got an appearance by Benedict Wong, who I was surprised to see in the trailer because I know him from a sitcom called 15 Stories High, written by and starring British comedian Sean Locke, which is brilliant. Look it up on YouTube if you haven't seen it already. It is quite little known, but it's very, very worth a watch. But a very different role he plays in that one as to what we're going to get in Multiverse of Madness. Really coming together now. Finishing touches time. Got to do his little goatee. Fill all of that in. And really now I think it's just down to the last highlights and shadows to really make up the depth of the picture. I'm going to put a few more in just to smooth out some areas, give it a bit more of an authentic look. And then I've got this idea for something pretty cool right at the end. Okay, we're pretty much done here. Just wait for this, the final special effects. Check these out. I mean, they're obscuring the hands at the moment, so I need to remedy that. But I'm pretty pleased with these. You can see his powers. Look at that. I really enjoyed doing this one. It's been one of my absolute favourite drawings to do. Really hope you enjoyed it as well. And I'll see you next time on CaptainFishbeard.com.